Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Kelly Duppy. Full story. One day, a young woman had a dream. She saw her ex-boyfriend Paul with a girl following him, so she woke up cussing him, telling him that he was cheating. She started to describe the girl to his family and so on. Little did she know, her ex-boyfriend Paul's cousin had a girlfriend that died by the name of Kelly, and he never went to her funeral or set up. One night, she and her ex-boyfriend were in the house watching TV, and she got a call from her mom to do something for her. She ended up sleeping at her mother's house that night. It was 2 o'clock in the morning when they heard a knocking on her mother's door. To their surprise, it was her ex-boyfriend knocking, and he was so out of breath that when they opened the door, he fell to the ground. Her mother asked him what happened, and he could hardly talk until 15 minutes later. He was telling them that it was about the dream the young woman dreamt about. He explained that he was going to the bathroom when he saw Kelly Duppy sitting on the bed holding her head down. After that night, she would never stop following him. She ate with him, and so he was always crying for his tummy until he couldn't stay at that house anymore. He moved in with the young lady in her mother's house, but he was still crying for his belly. One day, her mother came from work, and she gave him frankincense and myrrh to drink. She sprinkled some sea salt from out the gate up to the house, and put some under his pillow. From that day, Kelly Duppy can't pass the gate. People would hear her crying on the road, but she could no longer come near Paul.
Like and follow for more.